people to thank for this. And I'm going to call out Joanna Knitter, Ben Camp, and Rebecca Curran. Hogato Gahoga.
Well, thank you. I'm going to call out People Yet to Be Decided and Jesse.
I'm going to be calling out Newberry, Shank, and Twiggly. Oh god.